Hey, welcome to this channel. Let's talk about gratitude meditation for a life-changing journey. Gratitude is the golden key that unlocks every joy hidden in the universe. By practicing this powerful meditation, you'll raise your vibration, attract your dreams, and witness pure magic unfold in your life. Let's begin this transformative experience together. Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight. You can lie down if you prefer. Just make sure you won't be disturbed. This is your sacred time, and as I speak, don't force anything. Just allow yourself to feel the gratitude as deeply as you can. The more you feel it, the faster your dream life will come to you. Close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and slowly let go. Release all tension. With every exhale, feel your body relaxing more and more. Dear universe, I am so blessed. I am truly grateful for this beautiful life I live. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for every breath that keeps me alive, for every step that carries me forward. I honor you. I thank you. Thank you for this perfect day, for this sacred moment, for the warmth of the sun, for the calm of the moon. I am so lucky. I am so grateful for this beautiful life. Thank you for my loving home, for the clothes I wear, for every piece of furniture that holds me, for the tools that make my life easier. My computer, my kitchen appliances, my knife, my grinder, my mixer, they serve me. I honor them. I am grateful for this beautiful life. Thank you, Mother Earth, for holding me, for nourishing me, for the trees, the flowers, the rivers that flow, for the mountains, for the snow on their peaks, for the rain, for the dew, for the babbling streams. You give me everything. I am grateful for this beautiful life. Thank you for my family, for my friends, for everyone who supports me. The cleaner, the gardener, the delivery person, the farmer who grew my food. Their work makes my life peaceful. I see them. I honor them. I thank them. Thank you, my body, for working for me day and night. Thank you, my five senses, my eyes, ears, nose, mouth, skin, for letting me experience this life fully. For letting me feel joy, for letting me taste, see, hear, touch, smell. I am so grateful for this beautiful life. Thank you for my ability to heal, to forgive, to grow, to change, to think new thoughts, to love openly, to receive love without fear. Thank you for the child within me, who keeps me joyful. I am grateful for this beautiful life. Thank you for my work, for the income it brings, for the money in my home that lets me do what I want, for every opportunity I've had, and everyone still coming, for my dreams. I thank you now, as if they're already real. I am a magnet for abundance. I am grateful for this beautiful life. Now, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Rub your palms together and gently place them on your face. Let this energy stay with you. Do this every morning and every night before sleep. For 21 days straight, and watch the miracles begin. If you felt this, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell, because every week I bring you powerful guided meditations to heal your body, awaken your soul, and attract abundance into your life. This is more than meditation. This is a lifestyle of healing, power, and prosperity. Thank you so much for being here, for trusting this process, for choosing yourself. With deep gratitude and endless peace,